Hello everyone and welcome to the amazing world of Python, and especially this series of videos that I'm producing and publishing for you as the name of Python Simple. This is the episode 1. As the name tells to us, we want to say everything simple as possible, and several short videos because I don't want to make you tired, and I like that you enjoy these videos and have some collaboration together, learn something together. I'm very happy that finally I could start this series of videos because I have a plan in these videos, and I think it would be a long way and will never finish and will never end very soon, because after introducing Python we will go through some amazing and popular libraries like TensorFlow and also PyTorch, which are very useful for artificial intelligence, AI, ML, machine learning, and deep learning. That these are the hottest topic in the world and also in the future. I'm sure that we will have some good things together, many great and interesting collaboration together, and I also will learn from you, and together I believe in the 21st century learning is a process and teaching is a process. It's not that one person knows everything, and I'm sure that during this way I will also learn something from you, and feel free to send your comments and your valuable feedbacks to me. And one of the things that I'm really interested is neural networks that we will work on them both in theory and practical side, and we will cover as much as possible because it's really my passion, and I love to share everything that I learn with you, and also will learn in the future. Okay, let's go and have some look at what is Python. Python is one of the most popular programming language. As you can see, the most popular programming language in 2023. In many of the ranking, Python is always in top 3, maybe 1 or 2, always one of these ranking, and it is very important in these days in that programming and AI is everywhere in the world. So if you know the top 2, one of the toppest, one of the best programming language is very important. So Python, as you know, is a is a like something, a type of snake, the name, and is a high-level general purpose programming language. Many great companies have invested on Python, and in my opinion, learning AI, artificial intelligence, and machine learning without Python is really difficult, and Python is really a great tools and platform for this. So let's have a look at this definition. Python is a high-level general purpose programming language. Its design philosophy emphasizes code readability with the use of significant indentation via the offside rule. Okay, and these are some basics that you can see here, that in which person have designed it, and also we can see it first appeared 32 years ago. It's really impressive because right now it made a huge impact, and thankfully it can run on both OS and many OS, Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and many other things. And let's see the designer of Python. Okay, and this is about the introduction of Python. And as I told to you, many great companies like Google has invested on this, and also not just this. Right now, many hardware platforms which are, for example, compatible with TensorFlow, which you know that I will introduce this in the next couple of episodes, maybe in the because at the first we should focus on Python basic features, and then some, as I told you, some hardware that are compatible with TensorFlow are made based on this, which shows that Python is really important. Okay, and for the videos that I'm working with you, I suggest you to install Anaconda. Anaconda is open source, is a distribution of Python, because Python, like Linux and other software, other softwares under Linux or some other things, has several distributions. Anaconda is a popular distribution of the Python and R programming language for scientific computing. I suggest you to download it. Is free. You can download it on Windows and Linux. Also, it has also R programming language. R programming is also a very great programming language and tools for in my special case, for example, I love it because it's very great tool for biostatistics and bioinformatics. So you go to anaconda.com and you can download it, okay, and install it like this. It's also like a snake. You can download it, it's free. And also, if you have not the condition, or some you have some problem that you cannot install it, I have a good news for you. Don't worry. Google Collab is a platform based on Google. As I told to you, some great companies like Google has invested on this programming language. You can go to Google Colab, collab.research.google.com, and thankfully this platform is based on the Anaconda Jupyter notebooks, and you can see, you can here have a new notebook, and you can practice with me. I will try to run our codes and the thing that we are practicing here on Google Colab to share them with you very easily, okay? But you also can work on Anaconda, okay? No problem, these are the same. This is the web-based platform. Okay. Oh, you can see that my computer is very slow and Anaconda still didn't came up. Oh, okay, right now came up, and this is the environment. I want to also to show you. If you want to use the Google Colab, is here, but if you want to use the Anaconda Navigator, you can you should run Jupyter Notebook. Maybe in some practices in the future we use a Spider, but right now is Notebook. We need Notebook, and in the future we also I hope that we can also cover R here. I love R. Okay, you can run it, launch Jupyter Notebook, and you will see that window, web-based window like what we see in Google Colab is here, but you should go to new and click on this Python 3. You will see the environment here. So we have two options, okay, one in Google Colab and one in the Jupyter notebooks. Okay, let's run on Jupyter notebooks. For some in this episode, because it's the first episode, and maybe some of you, because I'm starting to teach from the beginning level for those who doesn't know anything about Python. So I will start from the very basic things. Okay. So in this video I will not go through some more details, and just some basic things now. Okay, in both of them, if we want to change the name of the file, because these files are saved, for example, in Google Colab, in your Google Drive, and here in your computer, in which destination here, when you run pwd, you can see that in this folder this is saved. Okay, so if I want to change the name, I can put, for example, Python simple episode 1. Okay, and this simply, the name is changed. Also here here also is like this. You can see the extension is IPYNB, Python simple episode 1. Okay, and we can also see that pwd is working here or not. In Google Colab, at first it should connecting and initializing, because it want to allocate some resources to you. And one good thing is that in some cases also give us GPU, which I introduce you later. Okay, you can see here Python is an interactive. Here also in Jupyter notebooks and Google Colab. I will not again repeat them, because Google Colab is something based on Jupyter notebooks. Okay, so Python is an interactive platform. Anything that you run here will immediately run, and you can just use shift and enter to run the scenes. Okay, or for example, do this one, run cell. Okay, for example, 2 + 2, what is this? Shift enter, or for example 3, and we can also do this. If we run this, we can see that it will go through here, which means that the kernel is busy. Also here, for example, 4 *5, if we can use run, we can see for a second this button, this circle becomes black, and then immediately white, because this is very simple calculation. But for some very great huge and computing intensive calculation, it becomes black for a while. But in this state, it is idle. As you can see here, it is, the kernel is idle. Also this, okay, this is idle. And one of the good things in both of them is that it is auto saved. Some checkpoints you can see, and it is auto saved in the same directory that we used. Okay, so I think it was just a simple start. I want to give you some time to install the program, and also have something to be familiar with it. And then in the next episode we will go through some basic commands, basic operations, and also some math operations. Okay, I hope that this this training was informative and useful for you, and thanks for your time, and hope see you in the next episode. Bye.